Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make macaroni salad. This is a versatile pasta salad with a creamy, flavorful dressing that's sure to be a hit among your family. It's also vegan and so quick to make. Now let's bring a pot of water to the boil while I'll show you how to make it. Cook the macaroni pasta in salted water according to package directions. While the pasta cooks, chop all the veggies for the salad. Once the pasta is cooked to al dente, drain and set aside in a large bowl. Drizzle with a bit of oil and toss the coat. This will keep the noodles from sticking to each other. Add in the chopped bell pepper, celery, onion, gherkins, and corn. In a measuring jug, combine all dressing ingredients. Mix well until smooth, then pour the dressing over the salad. Toast the macaroni salad until nicely coated with the dressing. You can serve this salad immediately or let it chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes to allow the flavors to melt. But I'm not the patient type. This is the kind of pasta salad that you can't say no to. Even the most picky eaters will love it. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!